Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable remote lock on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on security and privacy. Now scroll down the page and click on more security settings. Then locate and click on theft protection. Scroll down. Under remotely secure device, click on remote lock. And then if this is disabled, you need to go ahead and then enable this. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to use or enable remote lock on Samsung phone. You can just scroll down here to learn how this works. And then you're good. So if you like this, please don't forget to like and then subscribe for more videos just like this.